Let's check in right now with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. Carson, it looks beautiful behind you.
Yep.
Maybe it doesn't feel quite as warm as it looks.
Kind of feels like fall, Megan, instead of late April. Yeah, we got temperatures in the upper 30s, low 40s. 39 here in Huntsville, 40 degrees in Decatur. In Guntersville, it's 41. Beautiful morning out on the water. 42 in northwest Alabama with some cloud cover starting to move in. We'll keep the mix of sun and clouds around all day. You definitely need that heavier jacket for the next hour or two. But all in all, this afternoon is shaping up to be another nice day and a few degrees warmer as well. The early warning radar network is quiet. We stay dry for one more day before wet weather takes over tomorrow. On this Tuesday, though, we're in the low 50s at 9 o'clock, 63 by noon. Most of us top out in the upper 60s today. Some, though, will make a run for 70 degrees. It all comes down to how much cloud cover do you see against how much sunshine you see later on today. Let's go through the next 2 days. 11 o'clock this morning. This forecast model is trying to squeeze out a couple of showers later this morning, but our atmosphere is very dry. So any showers that try to develop in the clouds, they're not going to get to the ground. We stay dry all day today. In fact, we might see some clearing skies late this afternoon, but only for a brief moment. Overnight tonight, we get more moisture back in the atmosphere, and here comes the rain. After midnight tonight, we'll start to see those showers move into northwest Alabama, overspreading all of our coverage area by this time tomorrow morning. You're going to need an extra 10 to 15 minutes getting to work or school on Wednesday. Nothing heavy as far as the rain is concerned, just enough to be a nuisance as you're driving to your destination tomorrow morning. You notice by noon tomorrow, though, we get a small break in the rain, and some of you may stay dry for the rest of the day tomorrow afternoon. It's just going to be that hit and miss shower activity tomorrow before that more widespread rain moves in on Thursday. If we have any washout potentials in your 7-day forecast, it's going to be on Thursday. We're talking widespread rain with thunderstorms as well. There is the chance for a couple of stronger storms Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. The higher severe weather threat is to our south. We're not going to see a severe weather outbreak at all, but one or two of those storms on Thursday could pack some gusty winds, something we'll have to keep a close eye on. For Friday, not a washout at all, just a few hit and miss showers Friday morning. If you're heading down to Panoply Friday night, it looks pretty good. Then by the weekend, we have another system to watch that, quite frankly, is all over the place. We're still trying to work out the exact timing of that system and just how much rain we will see this weekend. For the time being, the highest rain chances will be Saturday night as a cold front pushes through North Alabama before we dry things out by Sunday morning. Speaking of that Panoply forecast, again, the Friday rain chances are during the morning. Friday afternoon, Friday night looks pretty good. Highest rain chances on Saturday will be later in the night as things are starting to wind down at Big Spring Park. And Sunday is mostly dry, aside from a stray shower during the morning. We're going to see a lot of rain over the next week, though. We're talking 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 7 days. Not enough to cause flooding concerns, but some of those creeks and rivers could start to run a little high this weekend. 7-day forecast with all of that rain over the next few days. Those temperatures remain below average. We're talking highs in the 60s and low 70s all the way through early next week.